Welcome everyone, happy to see you again. Today we are going to learn about bricks. And let we start.
Brick is one of the most used material in construction, which is used for masonry structures, and even for foundation in olden days, because of its workability and strength. Brick is a type of mold used to build walls, pavements, and other elements in masonry construction. The term brick denotes a block, composed of dried clay, but now, it is also used informally to denote other commercially cured construction blocks. IS 1077, 1992 is used for the common burnt clay bricks. IS 2212, 1991 is used for the code of practice for brick work.
Size of bricks are fixed based on the design of walls, and some architectural purposes. Such a standard size of brick is 190 mm, by 90 mm, by 90 mm. Nominal size of brick is 230 mm, by 115 mm, by 75 mm. This type of brick is available in market. An architectural size of brick is 215 mm, by 102.5 mm, by 65 mm.
Chemical compositions of good bricks are follows. In a good brick, silica particles should occupy 60% of its total volume of one brick. Alumina should occupy 20% of volume. And finally, oxides of iron, calcium, magnesium, manganese, sodium, and potassium will occupy the remaining 20%.
Manufacturing process of clay brick is follows. Preparation of earth is done using pug mill. Molding can be done as two different methods, and they are hand molding and machine molding. From these two methods, two sub-methods is there, such as ground molding and table molding comes under hand molding. And plastic clay machine and dry clay machine comes under machine molding. Next step is drying. And final step is burning of bricks, that can be done by clamp burning using kilns and Hoffman's kiln.
Classifications of bricks are follows. Unburnt bricks. These bricks are kept in sun by the alternative of burning, but it is suggested only for partition walls, and mostly it is suggested to use in interior partition walls, because this type of bricks can be affected by environment. Burnt bricks are giving better strength comparing to unburnt bricks, and they are classified as first-class bricks, second-class bricks, third-class bricks, and fourth-class bricks.
Test that can be carried out in field, even without any special equipment. Check for cracks and flaws, such as air bubbles, lumps and stones. Check for regular shape, and uniform in shape in all bricks. Check for uniform color such as red or brown. Check for any impression, when we scratched with nails. Check for sound, when two bricks were struck, it should sound like metallic and ringing. And brick should not break, when it falls down from 3 foot of height.
Compressive strength, water absorption, efflorescence, and dimension tolerance of brick sample, are carried out in the laboratory, to determine the exact results from the brick samples.
Bricks with varying position are having varying names, such as stretcher, header, sailor, soldier, roll-lock, and roll-lock stretcher. And the images are given below.
Advantages of brick masonry. Construction of walls using bricks is cheaper than stone masonry. Based on the need, bricks are available in uniform size. Bricks are very workable than any other materials. Brick blocks don't need any dressing like stones. Easy availability in any locations and time. No complicating lifting devices are required. Less skilled are used for construction of masonry structures. Good bonding strength between the bricks. Durable in nature, and easy to construct.
Based on the need and width of walls, there are some types bond used in brick masonry. And they are English bond, Flemish bond, header bond, stretcher bond. Facing bond. English cross bond. Brick on edge bond. Dutch bond. Raking bond, and garden wall bond. In these bonds, English bond is considered as a strongest bond, Flemish bond is giving good appearance, but Flemish bond not giving strength comparing to English bond.
There is some uniqueness in structures, using brick. Such as resistance against the fire. Required size with respect to the width of wall. Workability and economical as well as easy to construct. Brick masonry will improve the thermal property of a building. It is not only used for the walls, bricks are also used for flooring, and other appearance aspects of any structures. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe our channel and keep sharing.